Hi there traders. So it's been now a long time, but there has been some live situations. But I've been trading but not making the videos. I think so. Let's talk about the previous trade opportunities here. So I have here, I can stop out this one. Price going, you see, let's put this rejection area here. Oh, let's make a big one. You see how the prices break, retesting here, and then ding ding, making the rejection a high and start. So price is making the low, and what was happened? Price is breaking the low. Now price is making the new low again, and what was happening? Let's do this one. Price is breaking the low, and now you see the switch is happening here. So it was pushing higher here, and now is pushing lower here and start breaking the lows. So super good sell opportunities here. And then we have again price is creating the low and the price is breaking the low, and you see all the time price is creating the low, breaking the low, creating the low, breaking the low, and it's going all the way down like here. So I was waiting the next opportunity, so patient, and price is going. Now the price is stuck here because of this one, because it's pushing still higher. It's pushing here nicely higher, ding 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 ding, and now we have this opportunity pushing lower, the new one here pushing lower, and now we see the strong rejection here. So prices don't break it. So you see right now here price is creating the major low here, and we break it, and that was my retest. So I was waiting this retest here. Then stop loss was a little bit under this one, or it was a little bit under this one, and all the way to the major zones back to here where was my first buy opportunity. Because you see here is going buy, pullback, pullback, and the buy opportunity. But what was happened? We failed this buy opportunity. So the reason is here is very strong pressure and fear what is pushing market downside, and if you zoom in the details, you see here prices start breaking the lows, and then you can already say it's it's pushing down. It is pushing down, and it is pushing down. So all the major ones are pushing down, and yeah, that was the last one here. So here was one buy. Those are the buys what we talked already the last time. Those are out. So the next ones are gold. I didn't trade gold, but there is something very good, especially what was happening today, because the last week you can see the prices start going higher here, super beautifully, breathing area, and going higher, making the new high, going above it, going back to retests. So now you see how price is retesting the structure very beautifully, like super beautifully. And now price is going bounce here. So here we have the opportunity, the first opportunity to actually going sells, because you see this rejection highs here. When we get rejected, price wanna go and going in the sell sides. But right now, if you put the FIB here, what was happening? Price was touching inside the 618. Price was touching inside the 618 and start going above it. Very simple. And if you close this one, you zoom in the details, you can see where was previous high. We had the previous high here. What was happening? The price was breaking it. We have previous high here, And what was happened? The price was break it, and then we already have very nice one. That's the number one. So when we break the rejection high, we have three options there, three principles. First is impulse one, retest and going higher, exactly like this one. Second one is break, retest and following the principle. And third one is we're gonna make the 618 pullback and start going higher. So those are three principles to go higher. Right now we have the first one. So this one is here. And the other thing what was happening today is, if you're following what was happening here, we have the lower low. What was happening here? It was the 618 retest. So you can just following that. What was happening today here, if you put the Fibonacci here all the way to there, what is happening here? The 618 retest. Exactly today morning, and prices after that just skyrocketing. Take profit 3 almost hit soon, and it's, I think it's even all-time highs. It is all-time highs, yeah, it is. Oh, that's my last long here, hitting day profit nicely there. That's the long what we was talking about. So we have the micro Fibonacci and catching the major take profit area with the two Fibonacci's here. Ooh, beautiful. Exactly all the same things. Yep, going. I didn't trade this one, but if you look in the similarities, you know, how the price action is respecting previously, you can see, and you can see those points there. And here too, the previous structure high is now, if you zoom in here, is now breaking and respected, and now we have the new microstructure inside here, what is same thing, nicely respected. So both those are pushing higher, and today price was ding respecting. We didn't touch this one, it wasn't even necessary, looks like, because it's very beautiful bottom here. And you see here we have highs, and price is breaking the highs. We have highs and price is breaking that, and again we have highs and price is breaking that. Come on, it's very bright and clear here, too bright even. And that's the one. Let's jump in Great British Pounds. Very beautiful move. We have, so that was the last trade what was talking about. Oh, that's the good one. Actually, look at this one. That's something what you don't see every day. That's the trade what I was talking about previously. But look at that, how I was catching the next sell trade. Like for me, it is basically 1-to-1. My entry, my stop loss, my take profits. My entry, my stop loss, and take profits. It's all the same. And if you've taken already those trades, then you can understand your philosophy and your psychology is kind of unbreakable, because you are seeing the same things every day, every hour, and so on. Every week, every month, every year, you seeing the same things, and market is doing the same things. Maybe there is some some very simple detail shift, but the overall it's all the same. Like this picture here is just beautiful, and that was the next trade here. And if you're looking at this trade now here, what was happening now here in the first place, price is going back to the same area what was here. Look at this one. Price was going back to the same area, and what was happening in the first time here? Ding 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 ding, don't. We have very impulse movement, price is making a retest and start going. What was happening here? Ding ding ding. We have very impulse movement, price is making the retest and it's going all the way back to the same place. Exactly the same trade here. And those are exactly, you have to be patient to catch those trades. You have to let money go, you have to let your mind go, you have to just let it go. Surrender your what is in your heads, you know. You have to surrender your fear, your greeds, your money, your things, whatever you want. You have to let it go, otherwise it's gonna be hard journey to master trading mindsets. It's all about flow. It is all about flow. It's all about flow. Euro USD. Oh, like look at Euro USD. Exactly the same thing like the GJ. Exactly the same thing. Exactly. Boom, boom. And that's, I didn't trade anymore here. And here is very similar opportunity what was happening here, and then we have this nice break, retest, and dong. I didn't trade all the time here because I was in Wales, I was away, I have to do some things. And Dow Jones, I trade Dow Jones here, few trades here, and nothing else. Oh, Bitcoin. I trade Bitcoin yesterday in 1 minute time frame. Never done this at home, but you know, for future me, I'm training then. So I was taking here, it is super good actually. So first I was taking those cells, and then I see this structure here, down, down, down. You see straight away it's losing momentum here, like no doubt. And then I zoom in, I was taking my minor holder here, and I was waiting break, retest. So I was a little bit more patient. So I was taking this retest, take profit here, and then it start going, and then another retest, I was taking another entry. So price is going all the way here, and what was happened now here, we get stop out. Actually I get stop out, but I didn't get emotions on my way and thinking all you know, crazy stuff. I was like, yeah, stop out. There is something to learn, and to learn was, if we're gonna zoom in now here, so the only option to go right now higher was here. If I'm gonna take this W here, you see this W is inside here. So to go higher, we have to do like that, ding ding ding. And what was happening, the price was going downside. Exactly what is this one here. So the price was going downside and break the lows, retest, and after the retest, what was happened price? So we create the low here, and what was happening? Price is breaking the lows after the retest. So now we make this zone, we have a little bit deeper here, and price is going all the way back to the highs. And when the price is going back to the highs, it's still same. You know, this area here, this area here, it's still same. We have to complete this principle, otherwise there is no chance we're gonna go higher. And what was happening here? We get rejected, and what was happening? Get rejected. We make rejection bottom. Doom, and what was the next movement? Price is breaking the lows again. So in that time I was kind of pretty clear, I want to take the same entry, what is the first one, and my take profit is gonna be the same. So I was waiting the retest, another retest, stop loss here, and exactly the same vision what I have in the first place, just more details. But interesting. It's interesting to actually learn 1 minute time frame for the future, because if you're a trader in the future, you still wanna, at least try 1 minute time frame, because why not? It's kind of fun, but you need loads of experience to actually trade 1 minute time frame. It is proper one, because you have to understand there is too many things happening here. It's too many things, too many structures, too many patterns, too many principles, and it's all like some crazy stuff happening there. I'm a little bit sick too, boys, but yeah, I have traveling sickness. I just came back in Wales, and nose is a little bit, my nose is completely blocked, but it's all good. But let's see. But I'm gonna make an easy one, but if you have questions, it will be awesome actually when we start making good questions. Otherwise I have kind of almost, like, I don't know what to speak anymore, because if you're looking all my videos, like all my psychology and philosophy is already there, like no doubt. Like how I'm trading right now every single day, you already have all this information. You have all this information. Just go back, take your time, write the stuff down, understand the meaning, and all those videos can change your life, how you see the trading. And then just, be open-minded, be a little bit crazy, be open-minded, and all the time looking, why wise, looking wise, why this movement happened, why this happened, why this happened. Try to figure out those things, and don't go in the crazy levels, because we have to understand, like, don't undermine the simplicity. Everything what you see here is actually simplicity, and yeah, you have to understand that there is few touches, but it's all you, it's all your mind, and all possibilities and opportunities. Yeah. Okay, let's have a bunch of questions, boys. Let's do all in, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy this one, and maybe tomorrow is a better. Like, my nose is so blocked. That's the only thing what's kind of weird right now. But I'm gonna see you, boys, every single one tomorrow, and drop some questions. It will be awesome me to answer, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Ciao.